Hello, my name is Colton Hand of JMCH Tech, and today I'm going to be talking about what Litelement is and how it can be useful. So, Litelement is essentially a base class for creating fast and lightweight web components that are functional on any web page. It uses a program called Lit which is a templating library for JavaScript in order to manage and access different properties and attributes by rendering into the shadow DOM and adding API. And then these elements are updated asynchronously when the properties are altered. So essentially, it's a way to establish and create new web components that can be used in new web pages. That's very simple and very uh, easy to use. So there's a couple useful links that I've come up with here that can help further explain what it is. Lit this is a website here that kind of explains what it is. Basically, an efficient, expressive, extensible HTML templating library for JavaScript. And if you scroll further down here, it explains kind of what that means. So it lets you write templates in JavaScript and then efficiently render and re-render them in order to create and update DOM. So it provides a few examples here, and also explains kind of why you would want to use it, because it's efficient, it's expressive, it's extensible. It uses platform features like template with native cloning, and gives you the full power of JavaScript and functional programming patterns. Um, Extremely customizable and extensible, so it can be very useful in many aspects, especially in web development. So on the website of Litelement, you can kind of walk through a couple of these sidebars, which are there's introduction, which kind of explains kind of the base of what it is, and getting started, which it kind of sets you in the right track of how you want to use Litelement and from scratch and able to use it as a code editor. Um, and right here, in order to try it, you can actually launch the code editor and create a component right here at your computer by editing the HTML or by editing the CSS, which is really cool. So yeah, Litelement could be very useful for web development, and I've found it very useful not only in class but also for developing web components that need to be used for a certain web page. So yeah, that's essentially it. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you again next time. This has been JMCH Tech.